to another video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can we install latest OrangeFox, the another latest build for our Redmi 7, which is released 2 days back. So let's see how can we install that. And let me clear one thing, this version is almost stable, cause almost all bug fixed, so you guys will not face any error this time. So I recommend you guys to use that recovery. So now move on to the twrp, which you have installed already on your device. Now switch to the current twrp which you have. So you guys can see I have already OrangeFox, the older one. I'm going to flash the latest one over this old twrp. So now select the file where you have stored. Here is mine. You guys can see OrangeFox 11.0.2. Now select that file, which is a stable version. I recommend you guys to use that recovery, cause it supports FB and FD both, so you can flash FB and FD ROM like other custom ROMs, and you can flash MIUI ROM as well. So flash is done and it will boot into recovery automatically. So you guys can see it's booted. So guys, that's the video. Actually how can we install twrp over the older one? That's the process actually.
Subscribe to my channel.
So
and also press
if you
this
guys
bell
like
icon.
that videos, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss any latest update. So thank you for watching.